What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and boys and girls, it's time. It's time. Nah, before I'll let you see what we got here. This is for Jeremy's Viper Blue car. We'll get all into that here in a minute, but there it is. Jeremy, what is up, dude? What is this monstrosity you got? Man, that is crazy, dude. You said it's out of a Super Snake?
Yeah, it's got 52 miles on it.
Wow.
Nice, huh?
My buddy Lee had it.
That is crazy.
He's gonna put in an old Falcon. I'm gonna have to send them valve covers back to MMR to get them for the phaser stuff. Yeah, the BCT.
Oh.
In there.
I noticed it didn't have none of that.
Yeah, they'd have.
Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't.
I'm gonna send them back. They told me $100. They would
Just mill them out for you?
They mill them
Hell
out
yeah.
for me. I got the factory ones. The guy kept the Shelby coil covers on there, but I got the actual valve covers.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
You see the motor he put in his car.
Yeah, if he took this one out to upgrade,
Oh man.
I can't even imagine.
It's a MMR 2000 something watt.
Wow.
Yeah, it actually says Shelby Whipple.
Yeah, it sure does.
Oh yes, it says Shelby on that. Yeah,
Shelby
it's-
carbon and carbon fiber on this side. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty freaking awesome.
Yes, it is.
I'm wondering though if we're probably gonna have to change all those brackets up there.
I think you just changed one.
Does that look like the same as his?
Look,
It looked like
Yeah, I
it to
think
me.
you just changed. There's just like one, I think.
See, look at his setup and then come look at this one.
yeah, it's
It looks.
but to run the power by the hour
Oh
stuff.
yeah, just the
I
bracket.
think you just do the one alternator piece over here.
Yeah, because you got
He's already got this piece for the power steering.
I don't know what was that. What do we have that on Lee's car?
Attention there.
Yeah, that looks like a Whipple part. It's like black.
It is a little different looking.
Boy, you can tell this engine's brand stinking new though.
Yeah, when you pull these, I made him take that header off. Which I know Lee forever. I mean, I've done a lot of business with him. I know, he wouldn't intentionally do me wrong, but I still wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
It is no even no carbon in there.
Those valve covers are just crazy.
Yeah, it got a little bit over from being a Shelby on the body shop.
Yep.
I'm gonna take them and send them. I'll polish them up. And I'm gonna polish that Whipple.
Man. Alright.
You can just keep it on that stand. After you're done, you can have that stand.
You want to work it?
Yeah, what we're doing.
As soon as we get it off, we're going to ease it down.
Okay.
Sit the way you want to go. There, ease it down.
Alright.
Slide that. Come on, back with it. Stop there. Now, come on, back with it.
Yeah, pull it toward it. Alright, she is on the ground.
You can even tell by this exhaust head, it ain't even that dirty on
Yeah. Barely run. That's crazy. Shoo. It'd be fun keeping that Whipple polished though.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean it. Drill some bugs got on the way here. Clean it up. I got the other valve covers, so I can take them off.
Look at that. The Shelby on the fuel rails. Everywhere it says Whipple,
Yeah.
it says Shelby. That's crazy.
Bed down. This is the stock valve covers. So I'm gonna send them back to MMR. I don't want to mix this up. This was the gasket we took off. I didn't know if you needed it. It was the one for that side.
Stock cam covers there.
Yeah. I
BCTs.
don't know what the fuck that was. Almost looks like a cup thing.
Yeah, it does actually.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, I agree.
It's even got, looks like Coke or something on it.
Yeah.
Sheesh. So now we officially got one Whipple, two Whipple, and then of course George's car is getting the VMP. Did y'all see his engine over here? Yep. He's got the VMP, so all three cars
are gonna be blown.
Yep.
Man, that's nice. Is that Illuminator?
No, it's 17. Same motor as in Lee's car. 17 GT motor.
VMP's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty. Oh, it'd be really cool if we could get all the cars together once they're done. All right, y'all. So real quick, we're just swapping these out. He's got to send these MMR billet cam covers off and get a build for the cam sensors. So we're just gonna swap those out with the factory ones.
Looks real clean. Look now.
Oh yeah, she's super clean. Very, very clean. So we'll have those back here shortly. Put a little polish on them. Those will be looking good. Get the Whipple polished back up. Gonna be absolutely nuts. All right, so if you are new to the channel and you're not familiar with what we're doing, this was Jeremy's original motor. We went to put oil pump gears in it. Noticed, yeah, the engine was pretty much toast, and so that's the reason for the Super Snake motor. But this is the car right here. It's been sitting under a cover. Just been kind of waiting on the engine, so yeah, that's where all that's gonna sit. Gonna be pretty awesome. And the question is now, should we do the valve covers and the Whipple Viper Blue to match the car? I think it looked pretty sick.
What do you guys think?
Drop, all right, yeah, we're gonna have to have a comment thing here. Drop a comment below if the Whipple and the cam covers should be done painted Viper Blue to match the car, or should we leave them polished like they are? Because either way, it's gonna be pretty. But you're gonna have a lot of maintenance keeping all these.
Yeah.
Man. I think the little extra Viper Blue under the hood looks sweet.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So the Blues have it. We pretty much decided Whipple's coming off. We're gonna send that back. He's gonna send it to his painter, along with the cam covers. Get them painted body color. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna look sick. It's gonna look sick. Nobody wants to polish. You're just gonna want to drive this thing and blow tires off. So, hey, just paint it. And again, I mean, let's think about it here. Viper Blue is probably one of the prettiest cars we've ever had in the shop. Yeah. So the Whipple and the cam covers are gonna match the Viper Blue, and it's just gonna be 100% win. Gonna look awesome. All right, guys, so that is what is up. We got Jeremy's motor here. The quick story on this motor, this is out of a 17 Shelby Super Snake, and comes with a polished Whipple and all that stuff. I guess they rate them at 825 horsepower. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. But it is. This is obviously for Jeremy's Viper Blue Fox body. This thing's going to be a beast, and of course, that one's getting the VMP, and then of course, Lee's car is getting the Whipple. So we have so much badassery in this shop. I don't even know what to say anymore. It's just crazy. So that is what is up. Keep it tuned right here for the for getting these builds done. He's going to get the engine, the valve covers, and the supercharger painted body color, and get those back to us so we can do final assembly on that car. So it's going to be wicked. Just yeah. Love it. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I will catch you next time. Later.